Hey guys, what is up? It's Jachplays, and occasionally Clevo. His game crashed. He's gonna join back in a second. I'm gonna do the solo, which I hate this part so much. This is one of the worst parts in the whole entire game. The under leveled us, or even like equal leveled.
I should be joining.
Okay.
Be there to come to your aid.
Oh, that's usually been done pretty well. Do you have to sort of...
Coming back with your,
It's not in
Okay,
so I'm just...
I'm here again.
What? Okay,
I'm here.
cool. Yeah, start using your special more often, dude.
But now it's key bound to V, which is just...
It should be... F,
Okay.
I suppose? At least that's what it usually is.
Wait, okay. So now that's F.
Falling back.
Amelia's V.
Grenade! Watch out.
Oh, I'm running. Wait, actually, is, Team
Sentry.
Killing on?
What?
Is Team Killing on? Like, can your grenades do
No, but it can do damage to myself. Nade.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna have to go back to the store maybe and grab some ammo.
Running
Yeah.
low.
I mean, not completely, but it's not too well going for me.
Keep calm.
Reviving.
Okay.
Strong. Come on, not now.
Okay. Back into the fray.
Alright, let's spin him around.
Shoot.
Set off my trap card. Your
Give me a,
death
give him the old
approaches.
record spin. Just kill him, dude. Don't worry about it.
What's the record spin?
You spin me right round, you spin me right round, baby, like a record. Okay, revive me, goddammit.
Wait, where are you?
Keep
Okay.
fighting.
Well, I couldn't
my
find you.
ass.
You were mixed up into his corpse. There we go.
So sorry.
No thank you. No thank you.
No, no thank you.
Ah,
I'm not apologetic.
that's not
Or
Canadian.
no, I'm not a Canadian, as you've... Hopefully you would realize I'm not
As I
Canadian by now, because I
accurately
say
point
fuck
out.
too many times.
Yeah. That is a little bit of a giveaway.
I mean, I could be, like, Southern Canadian, like Trailer Park Boys wise, but...
Well, they weren't southern. They were maritime. That's a whole other fucking
What is it?
fish. Maritime?
What's a maritime?
Oh, in Canada, the Maritimes are...
Appreciate it.
They're provinces that are on the Pacific
Uh-huh.
Ocean. So that's Halifax, PEI, New Brunswick, and that was Halifax. The Trailer Park Boys was set
Ain't
in.
no Halifax boy.
That's right.
Ooh, level 13.
Yeah, boy!
Getting fancy here.
You know it, bro. So, Halifax and those areas are a completely different country compared to regular, sorry, Canada.
Do not panic.
Yeah, they're very, I don't know, they have a lot of French influence.
Okay.
So that's always been fun.
I bet.
Man, I'm just like your personal medic
Pretty
right
much.
now. But it's also, they have their own language, essentially.
You fucking can't. Oh no, their personal language is alcoholism. As proven in
Like, that's a stereotype.
in Trailer Park Boys.
It's,
Okay,
yeah.
so if I can find, and this is going to be probably happening after I talk about it, like, actually before, sorry, way before I talk about this, and sorry fans, of painfully thorough satirical theater. I almost forgot the name of my own podcast. But we should definitely do just me, you... Well, actually, if you can get some other Canadian gamers together, you should do, by yourself, hosting, at least, a whole movie of, Trailer Park Boys. Because there's like 10 of them, so... Or
Oh, darn. I keep, because I had, my melee was bound to F, so now whenever I try to melee someone, I activate my special.
Change it to V. It's a lot more usable with V.
I had my special set to V, and you said no, set to F. V is
Sorry,
silly.
set your special to F. Sorry. Turning Canadian. Sorry. Set your special to F, change your melee to V, it'll come in handy. That was a great run.
Special to F, melee to V? That's what I have it as right now.
Thanks,
but I keep
soldier.
on specialing it.
That's weird.
Oh no. I was healing
It's
you.
whatever.
But now I'm on the ground. I'm gonna shoot this guy in the face.
Nope, didn't make it.
Oh no, I might... Oh, I made it. Oh good, and I'm going to steal this, no I'm not. Oh no. I'm on the ground. I need this awesome no-scope trick shot. Oh, I missed. Oh, I missed again. Oh, just plain old miss. I was using the body shot. There we go. I'm back. I'm not dead, which is
Oh
great.
wow. You're not dead. That's surprising.
Yeah. I've just been, you know, lone wolfing it up here. Taking out all the baddies.
Oh, so you actually do know a bit of
Now you be
American
careful,
pop culture
honey.
with Hangover. Or you're just bullshitting
Another
me
sentry
again.
kill.
What? Wait, what part of that was the reference?
The Lone Wolves?
That's a Canadian thing. The lone wolf is the member, is a wolf.
No.
Pack.
It's a reference to
Yeah.
Zach Galifianakis in The Hangover 1.
I don't know that name.
Zach Galifianakis? Or Zach Galifianakis?
I'm stealing all the ammo.
Also known
Oh.
as Zach Galifianakis?
I know him. Wait,
Oof.
wait, do I?
Oh, please say. How can you
Does
see?
he have a beard and sit between two ferns?
Yes, he is,
Oh
yeah.
no, I don't want that. I want that.
And he is
pistol.
amazing. He should really do more stuff, like, a lot more often.
Hello.
Hola!
Shoot, I just did my special again.
Level up. What's up?
Boom, 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 boom.
Boom, boom, pow. Got that boom, boom.
Son, you just set off my trap card. Your death approaches.
Oh, this Hyperion is actually really coming in handy.
Uh-huh. With the pistol?
Yeah, just the pistol. Not using anything else. Drops in sentry. No, upgrade real quick. With... Yeah, Gifley. Gonna need that. Multiplayer.
Phew. Ah. I'm having to up my pistol game. I'm actually scoping now, trying to conserve ammo.
I mean, I would conserve Anno
Ooh.
also, but I don't know what that is. Yeah.
Ammo? It's like ammo, but it's designed so that it keeps you completely anonymous. You can't be traced
Oh
by your
wow,
bullets.
that's surprising.
Yeah.
I don't know how they did it, but alright. Iridium, that's what's up.
It's
This is the best day for Iridium. Do you want to go up there? There's a dumbass boss, but, you know.
You can still run.
oh.
Nade.
Well, that's not
On
that.
everything.
Why did it go to the opposite direction? Nade.
Look, I'm following it.
That's the first time I've
back
ever
to
heard you
my
curse. Holy
colony.
shit. I swear, but still, like... You said
What
fuck.
did I say?
I'm so proud of you,
I
dude.
did?
Yeah, you did.
No, I said I'm
No,
following
dude,
the
you
magical
definitely
grenade
said
on the
fuck.
journey. Oh, I didn't think I did.
No, it's totally okay with me. Like,
Oh yeah, no. I'm just trying to think why I would have said it. Because I was chasing your grenade. It got all the way over here before exploding.
yeah.
Oh, you're dead. I'm going
You're
back.
living.
Oh. Wait, are you good? You're dead. I wasn't soon enough.
Sunni?
Oh, now I'm
What are
on
you,
the ground.
racist now? You said
What?
Sunni. Yeah.
I did?
Soon enough?
I'm pretty sure you're just
No,
messing
you said
with me
soon
now.
enough.
Oh. Yeah, you are messing with me.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm catching on to you.
I'm moving on. Visions are
Meet
my
manifest. Sweet dreams, dude.
Are you sure it was supposed to be sung in that,
Nope.
tone? Oh wait, were you just trying to evade YouTube copyright
Yep.
restrictions? Ah,
Stay
clever
still.
man.
You know it.
Actually, I have a point.
I mean,
Man,
if I
this
can do it
is awesome.
decent enough and not just sound terrible, I mean, if it's just like for comedic effect, then sure, I'm gonna fuck it up. But like, I don't want to do like puberty type of fuck up. Attack the Killer Tomatoes, another American thing that you need to watch.
We're killing
Attack of the
tomatoes?
Killer Tomatoes. It was actually, I think it was George Clooney's first film. Yeah,
Sounds awesome.
it was one of those really cheesy
Like,
films.
is it a science fiction?
What?
Or, like, is it a science fiction?
Sort of, yeah. Science fiction, a fiction comedy. And he isn't even on IMDb. Well, he is not even credited for it on IMDb. That's how much.
Why is that? Just he had a small
No,
role,
he had the
or-
main role. Yeah.
Oh. He was just so it was just so little known an actor that they didn't bother.
Actually, that's the movie that put him on. You know. Yeah, that's the movie that put him on the map. Sorry.
Map of the Stars.
Yeah. And still, he just doesn't want to be
People can
known
go and
for it.
spy on them.
Even though anyone who's seen it or heard of it, knows he was in it. And it's so like, I love that movie. It was actually a movie on, oh, sorry, a game on Game Boy Advance. I have the cartridge, and also the cartridge on NES. So, and they're difficult games, as with most retro games, but it's just good to see a movie game that isn't terribly ruined, because I mean, it's bad for a movie game, but so was everything else. But it's kind of fun, just to see like, holy shit, they did this for a cult film.
And actually, one thing that I always find kind of funny in movies these days, because it's just a given that it's going to be turned into a video game afterwards.
I mean, most games aren't. That's the thing. Like, Hollywood learned their lesson, but they should keep doing it because they could really make some funny ass games.
Oh yeah, like it has the opportunity
Yeah.
to be good. But I get like I have sort of this mentality when I'm watching movies these days, just saying, you look at like an action sequence, you say, that's definitely going to make it into the game, because it'd be impossible to make a game without having the player run through it.
Like, if they made an Avengers game, that could actually work because they've made some decent Avengers video games, and comic book hero video games. For example, the recent Batman video game and Deadpool. Like, those are amazing video games. Recent to now. This is coming out in like, well, this was recorded in like July or whatever. I don't know.
We're talking.
Yeah, Arkham Knight. They're probably
Okay.
gonna
Vault
release like
Hunter.
2 different games
Good
by
to finally meet
when
you
this
in
is
person.
released.
Hell
But
of a job fighting through those.
oh, and also the
Yeah.
PC bullshit. I'm not even gonna get into. But
This will just take a second.
so yeah, like they can do good games with comic books. It's not like how it was, you know, back in the NES to roughly 3 gens ago. I don't really like the new gen, the PS4 and Xbone. But, you know,
Well,
it's just not
yeah.
my thing.
That's that. Now let's see about getting out of here.
My little brother has an Xbone,
Constructor
but
bot.
I don't
Hunter,
like
you
playing
gotta
it.
stop this thing.
But we'll go after that boss in the next episode of Borderlands 2. Bye!